Hi everyone. I made a short video to show you how to use the screen recording feature on your iPad. This is a handy tool that allows you to record your iPad screen, and it can also record your voice. So this can be useful if you are covering notes, kind of like a lecture might look, or working through a math problem, or demonstrating anything for your students. To set this up, first you go to Settings, and on the left-hand side you'll find where it says Control Center, so click on that. Then on the right you'll click Customize Controls, and then you'll scroll down until you see where it says Screen Recording with that red icon, and just hit the plus. Now it's been added to your customized controls, so you can access it by swiping down from the top right, and you'll see that it sits right there. Just so you know, it is defaulted to just record your iPad screen. So if you would also like to add your voice with that, you have to hold on to it, and you have to make sure that the microphone feature is turned on. Once that's ready to go, at any time, you can find it here in your control panel and you can hit Start Recording. It gives you a small countdown, as you see, and then you can begin whatever you'd like. You know that you're recording because the icon will appear in the upper right-hand corner. So teachers, I've seen them use this for different things. You could certainly be walking through a math problem and showing them how to add 16 to both sides. Or some teachers like to mark the text and show them how they're doing that. You could walk through or read different articles. Any other kind of demonstration, anything that you need them to find on Schoology. It records your voice when the microphone is on and your screen the whole time. When you are done, you'll just hit that little icon again and say stop recording. And then you see it's added right to your photo roll. So if you went to Photos, you would find the movie that we made, and you'd be able to hear your voice as well. You're recording because the icon will appear in the upper right-hand corner.